As a corporate citizen who truly cares for the community within which it operates, Isuzu Motors South Africa adopts projects which are sustainable and have a meaningful impact in the community. One such project is a renovation and extension of a house for Nosheleni Ncwanywa, fondly known as Gogo, a grandmother in the Walmer Township whose daughter passed away in childbirth. Gogo has been raising her granddaughter for the past 17 years in a dilapidated dwelling.
The first night when I met Gogo and her granddaughter, I could not sleep because nobody should live under such conditions. And for me, you happen to work for a company that is so responsible, believing that you must leave the community better than you found it, and a corporate citizen that really believes in making a difference. I approached my colleagues when I sent them the pictures and they saw the state in which the house was. They never hesitated to say, guys, come up with a proposal to help.
Phezulu kuphele amakande ngoku isilingi le yamaplanka izakuwa ngokamanje angena ke funeka bajala sijonge kule festile sijonge so singalali so nomzukulwana balosa abamanzi pha ezantsi kwebhedi funeka sibeke iplastiki phaya kwenzela uba iingubo ezi.
On this project, Isuzu worked closely with architect Kevin Kimwele, who was involved in designing and building of Gogo's new home out of recycled waste from the Isuzu plant.
So this is a very interesting house because almost 90% of it is recycled from the Isuzu waste yard. This includes metal frame, wood that we converted into structural columns and beams and lintels, wall components, the floor. The design is a passive design, which means it tries to not use a huge footprint of energy and heat. Basically, the building can breathe. It warms itself in winter, but it's a cool building in summer. As much natural light as possible is brought into the building so that it is using less energy.
The Isuzu Truck Port Elizabeth Centre was instrumental in providing the transport necessary for moving all of the recyclable waste from Isuzu's yard to the building site.
Uplifting the community and building homes for the less fortunate now in the Walmer Township. These are long-term impact, and we at Isuzu Truck Centre would like to be a part of that and saw it fit to be involved by providing the truck to be able to do the work in the community.
Isuzu recycles 95% of its waste, and some of this waste is used to build multi-purpose structures for communities in need.
So the employees participated in two ways. Firstly, in making sure that the material is recovered. The metal sheets, as you can see behind me, wooden pallets and some wooden sheets that were used as insulation and sealing. And secondly, the guys spent their weekends, assisting in the project and ensuring that we are building the house from the word go. So we did the grounds and we assisted as well with the structural work and the groundwork. This shows to everyone out there that there is value to waste. Waste is not just waste. If you take waste from my side and then when you use it on another thing, it becomes material on your side. So basically in this project, the guys, they use these metal sheets to build their house from scratch.
We're just practicing what we're preaching. So we're helping make use of recycled material to create a home for someone.
Isuzu has been able to provide hope and restore dignity to Gogo Selina and her granddaughter by providing them with this lovely two-bedroom home.
It is so beautiful and it is beyond what I expected. Finally, I have my own bedroom, my own private space, and I have a study area, so I am beyond grateful. No words can explain how I feel. Now my grandmother and I can live safely in this beautiful house.
Ndiziva kakhulu kumnandi kum ukuhle ngoba ndingaqinganga ukuthi ndinothi eminyakeni engaka ndizofumana indlu engaka bandla. Ndiyabulela kwaba bebeyenza le, ewe bexhumanile bevuya ke ngokwesiXhosa. Ndivuya kakhulu ngomsebenzi omkhulu abawenzileyo. Ndithi ke inkosi kumntu wonke obesebenza senza konke akwenzayo kule ndawo. Ndiyaphela apha.